Hi, I'm Martin and this is 3D Printing Iceland. Today I'm gonna fix a small issue I noticed on my Prusa printer. The belt on the x-carriage is rubbing a little bit against the end idler plastic, so I noticed the belt is going on top of the side of the idler wheel, and I have to move the belt a little bit on the carriage, x-carriage, and adjust the wheel on the x motor. So that is what I have to do today. And I'll get the printer out of the cabinet and show you what I'm seeing. What I noticed was in here it was collecting black particles from the belt, and also down here. Actually I noticed first the particles were collecting here, and having a look then I noticed the belt was sometimes twitching and it was running on top of the side of the idle wheel, so I have to fix this issue. I have noticed what I have to do. The belt in here and in here is pushed all the way as far as it possibly can go, and when I move the carriage to the idler I noticed there is a slight skew, so I have to pull the belt maybe 1 millimeter out on each side and adjust the wheel on the motor, but this won't be a problem. There is some area here that the belt can reside on, so I don't think there will be an issue to move it 1 millimeter out. So that's what I have to do. Now the space on the belt and the plastic is about 2 millimeters, and on the other side it is flush with the plastic here, so this is flush, so it seems to be just a 2 millimeter issue, so it was not hard to fix. I just loosened the motor over here, those two screws, to loosen the belt, and adjusted it on each side, and then I adjusted the idler wheel a little bit, so the wheel is also in a better place. It was more to this side here, so the belt moves a little bit with when I move the carriage. I think I'm gonna move the wheel even more to the inside. It is when the extruder assembly is right to it, it is on the correct place, but I see that when I move it over here it moves a little bit, so I'm gonna move it maybe 1 millimeter closer to the motor. Now the belt is in a good place, I think. It moves a little bit when I move the carriage around, but it doesn't go too far on each side, so it is similar on the other side. It is for most parts to one side, but this it moves a little bit now, but it won't go up on the wheel. It was going up on the wheel over here on the side of the wheel, so I think this is better, and I'm gonna do some more printing and see how it behaves. So I'll update you if I need to do anything more, but I think this is better than it was. Yeah, I started the print and I don't see the problem anymore. I'll monitor this for a few prints, but I think I got it correct. So I hope this is something that you can learn from if you have this problem with your printer, to check for this issue. It's just an assembly thing to monitor. I pushed the belt as far as they could go, and it seems that you have to look more carefully at it when you are assembling the printer. So this is probably just something that people do, is push the belts as far as they go and don't look on the idler wheel. But I hope this video has been good for you, so I will thank you for now and see you in the next one.